Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 16th November 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy are on a mission to recruit high-IQ small government revolutionaries for a newly formed Department of Government Efficiency. This initiative, not part of the federal government, seeks volunteers willing to work over 80 hours a week without pay to cut government costs. Announced via a post on X, formerly Twitter, Musk's call highlights the challenges of reducing federal bureaucracy. Donald Trump has appointed Musk and Ramaswamy to lead this effort, likening it to the Manhattan Project. The initiative has drawn attention for its unconventional approach and reflects Musk's influence in political circles. Democratic Senators Jeanne Shaheen and Jack Reed have called for an investigation into Elon Musk's communications with Russian officials, including President Vladimir Putin. Concerns arise due to Musk's role as CEO of SpaceX, which holds significant contracts with the Pentagon. The senators argue that Musk's interactions with Russian officials could jeopardize national security. The call for a federal probe highlights tensions between the US and Russia, especially in the context of space operations. Elon Musk has expanded his lawsuit against OpenAI, now including Microsoft as a defendant. The lawsuit accuses OpenAI of abandoning its non-profit mission and engaging in anti-competitive practices. Musk claims he was defrauded of over $44 million in donations, alleging OpenAI's shift towards a profit-driven model benefits Microsoft disproportionately. The legal battle underscores competitive tensions in the AI sector. A lawsuit against Elon Musk, alleging he rigged Dogecoin, has been dropped by the investors who filed it. The investors accused Musk and Tesla of manipulating Dogecoin's value through public statements. They initially sought to appeal a dismissal, but have now withdrawn that appeal. The case's dismissal reflects the challenges of proving market manipulation in the volatile cryptocurrency space. The Guardian has announced it will cease posting on X, citing the platform's increasingly toxic environment. This decision affects its official editorial accounts, which have over 20 million followers. The Guardian's departure reflects concerns about the influence of X's owner, Elon Musk, on political discourse and the platform's decline in content moderation. Elon Musk's AI, Grok, has labeled him as a significant spreader of misinformation on X. This revelation came when a user asked Grok about misinformation spreaders, and it pointed to Musk. The AI noted Musk's posts on political events and health issues as examples. This incident highlights the complexities of misinformation and the role of AI in moderating content. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Stay informed and have a great day.